butter, butter. BD. Butter. Buddy. 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 BDY. Buddy. 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 PDBD. Buddy. Why? P B D Y. Put a bar. Poibity. 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 Happy buddy. Happy buddy. Yeah, yeah. Happy buddy. Happy buddy. Happy buddy. Happy bitty buddy. Bitty buddy. Happy buddy. Happy birthday. 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 Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Charlie.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Birthday, dear Charlie. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Run! No peeking!
She said no, but no, why, but why,
Hello, my friends. Of course, we are all God-fearing patriots, but some of us out there are not. Have you seen your neighbour helping the homeless, helping the elderly, helping little children? They might be a communist. If you suspect your neighbour of being a filthy fucking communist, please don't look on the screen. You want to see your local friendly government sad, now would you?
The lacerations were deep and required intensive surgery to repair all the damage caused by the internal organs like liver and stomach. The patient required extensive skin grafts to help.
We cannot ascertain one singular reason as to why an adolescent would commit such base brutality, like the media would suggest. We must look at the patient's case file, and maybe then.
Oh my god, man. Have you tried this orange juice? It was spectacular. Oh, every second of it. Vitamin C, you know what I mean? That's good for your health. I love every second of it. My god, man. If you had that juice.
I hate that orange juice. I think it is putrid. I have written several complaints, and they won't change the recipe. I will seriously consider telling all of my family members not to buy it.
Ukraine has launched drones to the Russian oil plant.
Breaking news. There has been an uprise of elder abuse in care homes. As I was saying, there has been an uprise of elder abuse in care homes. We don't know when this will be stopped.
We are Charlie Kirk. My remote, it keeps playing the opera channel and I really don't like it. Subscribe to that channel. Am I being charged? I don't know. Help me, please! I'm laughing at it! They're charging my card for it! It's £3.50 a month!
I just woken up right now. I don't know what is going on. There's been a lot of cars around. Some people have been screaming, shouting recently.
The scientists have found a brand new whale species deep in the Pacific Ocean. And they say that it's nearly as big as...
Your mother! Have you checked on her recently? The elderly have more mental health cases than emo teenagers. Might be worth a look. Check on your grandmother.
Cupcakes, cupcakes! Come get my blushy little cupcake. They're full of whipped cream. Only for you.
This just in. A local cupcake factory is discovered to have trace amounts of fentanyl inside their cupcakes. We are looking into this. More at 9.
pissed about noisy neighbors. Just throw them a bone.
Hey, 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 hey Charlie, hey Charlie, hey Charlie, hey Charlie Thompson, 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 hey.
What?
Are you awake?
Now I am. What is it?
I have an idea.
What is the idea?
We should
Boys! You should be sleeping at this time! That was too close. That was too close.
We should go off and be soldiers and do the fighting, you know?
Are you crazy?
Last time I checked, no. But we need to do this. We don't have any jobs and it's the only thing going.
We can't leave Mom like this.
If we don't leave Mum, there won't be a Mum to come home to. Her treatments cost money that we don't have.
Surely there's some other way.
You need a good night's sleep!
Oh, Mum.
Oh, sorry, I didn't realize. Well, good night.
You should feel really bad for waking us up, you know. Okay. It's too close. That was too close. What were you saying?
I can't do this.
Oh, don't be such a pussy. Look, I don't like it, but we've got to get money one way or another. Look, just come to the office tomorrow. See if you like it. You might do. Just do it for me. Come on. I'll do everything for you.
Okay, but just this once.
Great. That's the spirit. This will be great for us. You'll see.
You have rowdy children and have no idea how to entertain them. I've just got a thing for you. The chimpanzee. Children love monkeys. No one seems to remember how shockingly violent they are. Are you shockingly violent? We were there once, and they'll be here when we're long dead. So buy your child a monkey today, so you don't have to deal with that annoying little shit.
Of course, you'll have all the amenities the army has to offer and much, much more. You'll have a brotherhood and... Yes, which of course you'll get to see all sorts of different countries, fight Nazi bastards. I didn't catch your names.
Robert and
But.
Bart! Tennyson, sir.
Robert and Bert. That must be a regional name. Well, I see no reason why you can't go off and fight the good fight like everybody else, but as I'm sure you're aware, the army is only available to those 18 years and up.
We're 18, sir. Both. We're twins.
Most convenient that everyone that comes to me seems to be freshly 18. Who am I to judge? Well then, it seems all in order. You two manly men should get off, enjoy the fighting. I'm considering you for the jobs, you should know.
You are? You think we're fit?
Oh, yes, of course. There's simple formalities like signing away all of your signing down your names. But first, would you care for a cigarette? Being a man of 18, you're surely acquainted with these cigarettes. Excellent. And of course, there's the uniform policy. Don't keep me waiting.
Charlie, this is great! We've been chosen! We can see the world! The sky, the sand, the oceans! Oh, we're gonna serve this country! We're gonna save the world! We're gonna be famous! We're gonna have ladies! Yes, Charlie! Where do we enlist? Yes, here! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Today's menu: smashed potatoes, smashed. Chance smashed.
We are all looking for toys to entertain our mischievous little children. You've tried Barbies and balls, they get bored of them in minutes. But you know what the kids really crave? Violence. It's all over TV. Get your child a firearm. Possibly a long course. They'll come in a few years. But with the way the world's going, you'd have to be crazy to not consider buying this for your child. It might just save your life one day from some filthy fucking communists. They'll need to get really acquainted with one of you until your little angel starts fighting for their country. We'll look forward to it.
A healthy smile is the first step to confidence and success. You do want to have those soldiers standing in a clean row, don't you?
Hi there. Since our last broadcast, not many people have been buying our replica firearms for their children, and that makes me sad, because your children won't be prepared for the future. You don't want to be the reason your child's turned into red mist, now do you? See, I don't think you people seem to fucking understand something. If I don't sell enough of these pieces of plastic shit, then don't...
My fellow citizens, it has been an absolute... Hownard? Hownard? My fellow citizens, I would like to announce that if you vote for me, I'm going to raise your taxes, double the employment, and I'm going to make sure that your life becomes a living hell. However, you would not have to vote for a female president.
Yeah!
Thank you. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Come on, boy. Come on, boy.
so good, so good. I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm the best. Oh, I'm the best. I know I'm the best. Where's my golf course?
Mr. President, the golf course was rejected.
I'm gonna wave those bastards off the map. I'm gonna show them respect. At the golf course, yeah, I'll show them. I'm gonna have what I want. And where do you think you're going? Bathroom! Of course, workers need bathrooms to have bath breaks. Break from work. Oh, no, I'm gonna reject bathrooms. You are gonna work for me. Are you paying attention?
Yes.
Good. I'm the best. I'm gonna turn this country into more like me. This would be better if it's more like me. Work till you drop. Work. Give me something. Give me, baby. Ah!
Mr. President, I'm going to say to them the golf course would be non-negotiable.
My son, he just went out one night with his friends, and in the middle of the night I got a knock on my door. It was these two officers. And I know it wasn't good. It's been about 5. I'm sorry, can we...
So, it's been a month since I lost my child. And it's just... One minute he's there and the next he's gone.
I lost my twin sister almost a year ago. For one time I wasn't with her, and I have to live the rest of my life knowing that a part of me will always be missing.
I lost my daughter a few years ago. It was a horrific accident, and I haven't really recovered since. Next week is the, sorry.
My daughter took her life away a month ago. I just keep asking, where did this all come from?